Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you about how can you install Zoom in your computer for attending online meetings. For that purpose you need to go to Chrome and in the search box search for Zoom. Instead click the write up Zoom download. It will show download center Zoom straight link. Accept cookies, download from Google Play, download from Zoom. I'm gonna download from Zoom. So here it is, it's downloading. Zoom is a 200 MB software. It's good for online meetings. Zoom offers pricing plan to fit your unique needs. Use Zoom for free or explore their Pro and Enterprise Ready package to learn which one is right for you. Host online interactive meetings too. Host online interactive Zoom meetings and increase your sales and brand power together with Zoom. Flat rate monthly pricing per license based on the number of attendees. Easily create recordings and transcripts. Unlimited domestic calling in one of the 40 plus countries and territories supported. The Zoom pricing depends on what you want to use the software for. Zoom costs nothing for individual users. However, hosting 40-minute meeting with less than 100 people, but starts from $10 per month per user for a phone plan and $15 per month for video calling. Zoom offers paid services with monthly or yearly subscriptions. These can be purchased by credit card or PayPal. And here it is, our downloader has been downloaded and I already have it installed, therefore it's giving me this option. You can install it after downloading it. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and comment on my YouTube channel.